Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to identify iPhone country of origin or how to check the iPhone manufacturing country. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the settings app. Okay, then once you're in here, go ahead over to general. Okay, this one, tap on it. Now tap on about, just like so. Now in this section, what you can do is just go ahead and find the model number. Okay, this one. Now, as you may notice here, we got the slash, okay, or /. Now, all you got to do basically is find the last two number that is besides or on the left side of the /. So /12. So these are two letters. So in my case, I do have AA. So if you want to find out where or where is the manufacturing country, you can just go ahead and look it up online. Let's say you're going to want to type in how to identify country of origin. You'll find it. You'll find a website right here. So I'm just going to show you right here, but if you want to, you could go ahead and pause the video. All right. Okay, just like this one right here. So AA means United Arab Emirates. Okay, this is from the applewiki.com/wiki/model_regions. You can go ahead and check this website out. All right, so A for Canada, AA, UAE, AB, Egypt, Jordan, Saudi Arabia. So if you have, or you may notice LL, okay, well, LL means it was from USA, Canada, also used for some replacement units. And sometimes it do means that it was assembled, okay, in what? China, Vietnam, or India. So do keep that in mind. But that's just basically it. That is how you identify iPhone country of origin. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.